We have been recognized internationally and this globally at Singapore, and with this we are getting this prestigious award at Singapore, that is a BERG Icon Healthcare Award 2016.
Awards like these, they give us more recognition and definitely give us an insight in the industry to work better and to get more recognitions in the future.
Diabetes and obesity and metabolic diseases are the main focus of problems in India, and they need to be recognized very soon and they need to be treated very well. So this award brings a recognition to that it acknowledges that these are major problems in this country and they should be given proper attention.
I got this award for the organization Strength India Movement. The whole point of this organization is to help people, help as many as possible. India as a country is close to 1.3 billion population. I think we've taken a mammoth task in our hands of reaching out to everybody and help them and elevate their quality of lives. I'm sure this award is going to motivate us, and it's going to motivate my team to work harder. And definitely, being in the BERG Awards, such a wonderful platform in Singapore, getting the brand exposed on the world stage is a fantastic opportunity.
This is a very good platform for all the industry players to come together to share their various experiences with respect to healthcare, all aspects of healthcare from clinical to marketing. I think it gives both the industry players an idea of what's going on.
We design our systems to operate in low bandwidth environments because we talk about places like the Philippines or India. Your technology has to work in a 2G environment. Otherwise, there's no point.
It was an eye-opener for all of us who run the hospitals actually. It helps us to adopt the new ideas and new systems which all these your experts have discussed in the panel discussions. And I think functions like this goes a long way in helping us.
This event was organized very well, and I think the best part of the event was that when you look at the panel discussions and the speakers, everyone really spoke very honestly and sincerely. It seemed to be coming out of from their hearts, and there was a lot of honesty to it. It really opened up our eyes that yes, there are a gamut of issues which needs to be looked into when we plan for anything bigger than this. And I think I'm going back home with a lot of information and knowledge, and with my eyes more open now.
This event, basically it is concentrated on more about how to build up or make an entrepreneur out of a medical profession himself. We live inside the healthcare sector rather than looking from outside. So these panel discussions enlightened us to know about patient safety and patient care, as well as looking at how to merge the different corners of the healthcare industries into the better healthcare services. Typically today, for example, on the stage along with me were people who were from Philippines and also from the healthcare provider business itself. So it gives us a chance to work with the practitioners, with the people from the region. I saw a few people from the Middle East, I saw someone who'd come from Nepal, and so I think the world comes to Singapore.
It's a very good initiative to bring together the people from the health industry and the supporting health industry like IT, digital, and even the marketing as well as the PR activities. And this is the fact, which is needed for today's health industry, to bring all the people who are, involved in this process of delivering the patient care to the proper channel.
I think it's a great platform for us to share a passion for healthcare. It also is a great platform for us to cross the boundaries between marketing, management, as well as on-the-ground healthcare.
Very, very good summit, as I expected. Even the title of Icons of Healthcare really brought together leaders in the industry, starting with the panel discussions which I participated in, and not knowing that this is the first time that BERG is doing it. And so I really encourage the group to have more of these events because it does create more buzz, especially in healthcare today where technology and providers are moving forward faster.
personal brand. The two of us standing here today, we clearly have personal brands that really shine through. And I really want everyone in the room to realize that it may be part of business that we do this, but it's also for ourselves because we want to feel like we're accomplishing something for the world and for our own families and for our own future. So I think that was a really great thing to be a part of.
I think it's really about connecting all of the different dots and the various stakeholders in the healthcare continuum. So since we had, hospitals, clinics, people from medical device industry and from communications, it was a great way to bring all of these different aspects together.
I thought this was a very exciting conference. I think it's nice that people are coming together and talking about healthcare, figuring out how they can learn from each other, learn from experts. I think this is the starting point for healthcare growing across Asia Pacific in a much bigger way.
Thank you very much for the recognition as one of the icons of healthcare for tonight. I feel very honored for receiving an award from a very prestigious organization like BERG Singapore.
Well, this event and forum that you have put in place, the Icons of Healthcare, is a fantastic forum. It gives us the opportunity, the healthcare leaders, to come together, to network and to learn from each other.
And what a wonderful evening we've had connecting the industry leaders in Southeast Asia. We've had medical practitioners as well as healthcare providers all here at the Icons of Healthcare 2016.